Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got Julia in the studio. She's an awesome model that Peter's worked with for years now, but we haven't caught up with her in a while. But she does have this awesome new couples/dating conversational card game called Mindgasm. It's out now. I'll drop a link down below. So she's come into the studio to get some promo shots to help promote that.
All right, so got the lighting all set up. That's cool. Cool. I've just brought in a tiny little, that's cool. I love that. It's really pretty. Tiny little Zhiyun light from the background. So I just want to get some hair light onto this, but just not fall out anywhere else. I'm really liking the feel of this. I've got a fairly aggressive setting on this, so I want to make it look a little bit like old-fashioned film. Think about there. I'll fine-tune it later. And I'm thinking of most likely dropping one of my film grains on it at the end. Cool. That's really cool. I love. So I haven't worked with Julia. We worked out, what was it, 5 years? 2021. Wow. It was the last time we worked. This is gorgeous. So it's just getting back, although it just feels like it was yesterday, just falling straight in. Now, with Julia, she's done plenty of presenting and that on TV. She's comfortable in front of cameras. So I don't have to work what I normally do with a model, but I still want to work a little bit because she can't see what I'm seeing. So I want this to have that beautiful natural feel, not too posed. This is gorgeous. And especially that sort of 90s feel, that supermodel era. Ooh. So that's cool, that's really pretty. That's cool. I don't know, it's feeling like Dolly Parton with that jacket, but I don't mind it. It's either Dolly Parton or it's a rock star jacket, Bon Jovi, something in between. So what's the feel that you want in this? Is there a one-word emotion?
Raw.
Raw, all right, cool.
Playful.
Playful, raw.
Yeah.
That's 2 words.
Yeah.
But that's all right, I'll go with playful. Cool, that's cool. Nice, nice. So this is a thing that a lot of my clients would have as a stumbling block. I would say, what's your one-word emotion for this shoot? So I can try and get that in your photos. And most of them don't even know the emotion they want with their label. And I think it's very important. That's beautiful. I really like that picture.
I like the movement in the jacket too.
Yeah, you can. This will blur a bit in the move, so it'll actually add to. I can actually take it more blurry if you want. You just have to be careful your boobs don't fall out if you swing too much. Cool. Do you want, I can set up to get a lot of motion blur. There's a tiniest bit of blur there. Why don't I might just set up for more motion blur. So I'm on 1/25th. Let's come down. So 1/25th, 3.5. I'm going to come up to F5 and go down to a 60th. Let's see what we get there. Just do a test shot. Cool. So same exposure, and where you'll see on her hand now, we've got some blur. The boss loves it, so I'm happy. Cool. So that's really cool. Nice, nice, nice. Cool. That's pretty, I love that. Did you want to stick your head in and just see?
Nice.
Are these enough blur?
Yeah. No, this is perfect.
Like, I make it more blurry, but if that's enough that you just got movement?
Yeah, I think just a little bit of movement's great.
Let's go up to 6.3 and a 40th. So I'm only doing this as I just don't want you to have to move too much, cool, to get a decent bit of blur on there. Yeah, I think I can work with that. Cool, that's pretty. Cool. Cool, I love. Was it quirky? What?
Playful.
Playful. Yeah, keep it playful. Yeah, we're getting some blur, just a little bit. Like, I'm really liking these. You don't have to move that much. Oh yeah, you can do that.
That way I can kind of
Move it. Well, you don't have to move much, so this will blur quite easy. Cool. And I can actually blur the picture myself like that.
Wow.
So I just move the camera and I take the picture and it blurs you
Okay, cool.
to a mess. I won't try and do that much. Cool. Cool. Nice. All right, so remember your word. Nice, nice. So some of these are now, because she is moving a lot more, going to be complete. Although this is one thing I love about blur. You'll see in there, because her face is all blurred, it actually makes this picture better. Oh, these are cool. These are really cool. You liking?
I love them.
You love them?
Love them.
All right, let's nail the shot then. You happy with this, or did you want to be on a stool?
I'll just sit on the stool now.
Oh, so you reckon we got that? So do the
Yeah,
stool?
we got that.
That sort of stool, do you? Cool, that's really pretty, that's cool. Nice, nice, that's really cool. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to come off the tripod in a minute, which will add blur as well. All right, so I think my piece of paper's going through the wrong area, so I'm just going to change my camera height rather than try and change my paper to just drop that paper down. Cool, love, love, nice. Come back to your mood. I'll start manipulating her a little bit in a minute. Just, that's better, she already did it. I was going to say, bringing your foot up higher. Yeah, these are cool. These are really cool.
Love it.
Love it?
Yeah.
I like it when the client says love it. Cool.
Yeah, I like
So-
this. I like this sitting down.
yeah, cool. Nice, nice, nice. But you would have heard I keep reminding her what the mood of this shoot is. Cool. In fact, I've never shot you in this mood, have I?
No.
It's always been a bit more
A bit serious.
serious and fashiony, or... Yeah, these are working cool. So I am going to manipulate you a little bit now, I'm going to let you do a little bit, and then when I see you get lost. Cool, cool. So there's always this, the trick I did before, so. Got it. Remember my trick?
I know. I know the trick.
So I quite
I'm
often...
not doing it right.
No, you shouldn't be trying it. It's just, don't smile, don't smile, don't smile. Cool, cool. I planted the seed in her head before, like I've done on other things, where if I don't take a picture, it means don't smile. And I can't help but it get more fun when I hold it longer. Cool, that's much better. Cool, love. Nice, cool. Cool. So based on your new card game, I just pulled out a card and it says, sit in the sexiest way that you think is sexy. So sit that way. So you think that's sexy? Mm-hmm. Really? So I'm actually,
Yes.
no, I'm playing the game. It's, imagine the partner going, oh, so you think that's sexy? So I was just trying to play your game, even though I don't know what it is. Cool, cool. Now sit the way that you hate the most. Or the biggest turn off sit.
Biggest turn off sit.
I thought you were going there the right way before. That's pretty
Well,
cool.
it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Probably like. Really
Yeah,
close
yes, that's what I thought. I thought you were actually going to go to the whole hand on top of the, that very prim and proper.
Yeah, probably.
Cool, that's really, I need these cards. I'm going to do my own cards for posing.
Yeah.
You can design me. ask a question and get the pose.
Yeah.
Cool.
I actually quite like the dangly leg.
The dangly leg, I like it too. So Julie and I were talking about this before, about just by changing the pose to either something you do know or something you don't know can completely change the model's face. Cool. So you got the hands on the front of the saddle, throw them on the back of the saddle. Cool, but riding the saddle. So still be the saddle, no on horse.
Like, what do you mean?
A saddle on a horse. So yeah, you had them in front like you're on the saddle. So now throw them on the back. Cool, cool. Now make it fun. That's better. Cool. Now throw them on the front of the saddle. Cool. Love. Cool. Cool. Yeah, well, I'm certain we've got enough. That's pretty cool. You like?
Yeah, love it. Love.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to check out Mindgasm. As I said, link will be down below. And if you want to hang out here and check out some more videos, they'll be on the screen now.